Hello everyone, here is the puzzle for you. There are 8 identical balls out of which one is slightly heavier. So you are given a balance scale and 2 chances. Can you find the heavier one? Well, wondering who I am? I am Mr. Shiva Ramesh, Senior Aptitude Trainer from CVCORP. Well, still wondering about the answer? This is what exactly aptitude is. Aptitude isn't only about formulas. It's all about how you think under pressure. When companies conduct placement drives, they don't only check coding skills. First, they do check analytical thinking. So, the point is, can you understand the problem? Can you apply the logic? Can you make the right decision? That's why aptitude is a core foundation at CVCORP, especially for freshers. At CVCORP, we train students across all placement areas like quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. In quants, we cover percentages, profit and loss, averages, and list goes on. In logical reasoning, we cover blood relations, coding and decoding, puzzles, and so on. But here's what makes our approach different. We don't ask students to memorize the formulas. We ask them to understand the logic, identify the patterns, and choose the smartest approach. Because aptitude is a real life skill. And here's the biggest truth most of the students miss. Strong aptitude makes coding easier. Logic builds loops, reasoning builds conditions, structured thinking builds algorithms, and debugging needs an analytical clarity. That's why at CVCORP, our mock test combines aptitude and coding. That makes students to feel exactly like real company exams. This is how we build thinkers before coders. Because aptitude isn't just for the first round, it is a career skill.